Hello friends. So in the last few months I was facing very hard time. So I decided to look out for all these loan applications and website at least to get $100 up to $200. But too bad I was looking for all these application. I tried all these application and I come to realize that most of this application is really not easy to get loan on this application that I tried, and they are very famous applications, they're very trusted, but it was really so hard for me to get loan on this application. But today I have good news. These applications and these platforms that I'm going to mention in this video, they are really going to help you in a very easy way. And it doesn't matter if you are just a beginner on this application or you are first time borrower on this application. These applications are going to help you in a way that you won't believe. So right now let's dive in and see all these platforms that are going to help you to give you loan and you can solve your problems. Let's now dive in. Alright, so our very first trusted website is called PayPal Loan Builder. So as you can see right here, this website says that if approved, money will be transferred as fast as the next business day. So on this website, you're gonna get your loan in a very easy way and in a very fast way if you approved it to get a loan on this website. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called PayPal Loan Builder. This website is very known website. PayPal is among the most trusted website. In order for you to get a loan on this platform, you just have to make sure that you are using PayPal frequently on your transactions and all that. So the other good thing about this website, if you are approved to get a loan on this website, you can get up to $1,000 up to $2,000. It just depends on how many transactions that you are doing in every single day or in every single month. So this one is very trusted and is based in America, but do not worry, I'm gonna show you the website that are available all over the world and you can get a loan. It really doesn't matter where you're coming from. So right now let's go to the next platform. The next website that we have here is called the Sofi, and all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, then you have to click this place written as personal loans, and right here you have to enter your names. As you can see here, I'm writing my name, Hans David, and then you have to write your email and all this necessary information. Then you have to click apply for loan. This one is very useful, and the very good thing that if you are in need at least for $200 right now or $100 right now, you may want to go ahead and go to this website, apply for loan. And the very good thing about this website is that if you are approved, you can get a loan right away. So this one is the best website that I can encourage anyone to go ahead and try this and see how much they're gonna get for the first time on this application. Alright, so this next website is very interesting. This website is called Lending Club, and all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, then you have to click this place written as cash loan. Then you need to fill all this necessary information like your name, your email, and also they're gonna ask you why do you really need this loan. So you need to come up with this, this short reason, but it has to be a reasonable reason for these good people that are going to help you, to support you to start your business. So the good thing about this website is that you're not just going to ask for loan on this platform. You are going to ask for people to borrow you money to do business. It can be business and a project maybe. So after these people support you, you're going to get money from this platform. So this one is very interesting because you're actually going to receive support from real people and not from the website. So you can see that a lot of people, after seeing your story, after seeing your reason, they're going to come up to support you, and you're going to get money from real people online. So the good thing about this website, you can get up to $3,000, up to $5,000. It just depends on the reason that you explained. Why do you really need this loan? So right now let's move to the next one. So this next website is called Branch, and is very based in Asian countries, African countries, and some of European countries. And you can see down here, this platform is trusted by 50 million people. You can see all these downloads. That means that a lot of people are really getting loan from this website. I know that you have never heard about this platform. All you want to do right now, you have to go to App Store or Play Store, then you have to write there a Branch. All right, After downloading this application, you need to fill out all this necessary information. After that, you need to apply for loan. And the good thing about this platform, you can start asking loan for at least $5. It just depends on how trusted you are, because the more you keep repaying debts on this platform, the more money you'll be getting, the more money you'll be receiving as a loan from this platform. So you need to be more trusted so that they can trust you and borrow you up to $500, up to $1,000. It really all depends on your trust. So I think this one is very easy to use. So all you want to do right now, you have to go ahead and see how much you're going to get on this platform. But as a beginner, you can start with $5, $10, $50, up to $100. But there are other people who are receiving up to $300 just from this website. So I think you have to go to this website and see how much you're really gonna get. So right now, let's go to the other website. Alright, so this next website is very interesting. Let's say that you need to start a business, but for now you don't have a capital, or maybe you having this business but it's not going very well, so you need money to to buy groceries, to buy different things to add up on your business. So what you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called Kiva, because Kiva is a website for all these entrepreneurs, all these people who are doing business but they are lacking in money. So all they do is that they go to this website explaining what they need, and good people and kind people, they're going to support them, and at the end of the time you will have to pay them back. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called kiva.org, and you can ask for any amount that you want. And I've seen a lot of people, they're asking at least for $500 up to $1,000. But just remember that you are going to receive money and you will have to pay this money back. I really encourage you to go ahead and ask for money on this platform and see how much you're going to get. You just have to come up with this good story that everyone is going to read and really feel the need to help you. So right now, let's go to the next website. Alright, so this next website is called Itara. Let's say that you are going to borrow this time $50 on this application. So if you're going to repay on time on this platform is going to add you more money to borrow on the platform, so that the more you keep repaying, the more money you're going to be able to buy on the platform. So this platform is very, very trusted platform and is most based in Africa. So if you're from Africa, I think this website can be for you. As I said that there are too many websites in this video that I've done. There are other websites that are based in America. There are other websites that are based in Europe. There are other websites that are based in Asian countries and African countries. If you're from America, you need to deal with this website, which is called Sofi. This website is very trusted, and the other website is Paper Loan Builder. These are most based in US. And if you're from African, Asian countries, or Latin America, all you want to do is that you need to go to this website, which is called Blanche or Tara. These are websites that are most based in African countries, Asian and Latin America. But also, if you're from America, just remember that you can go to this website. It's called Learning Club. This website is very trusted as well, and the platform that is available nearly all over the places is called Kiva. So if I were you right now, I think I could go directly to this website, which is called Kiva. This website is a very trusted website, and I've seen young entrepreneurs, they really got what they needed. As you can see here, this person asked for $175, and you can see the other person here needs $200, $300, and they're receiving money from kind of people, and at the end of the time they're gonna pay back these people that they have been helped with. So all you want to do right now, you need to go to this website and see how much you're gonna get, and I'm pretty sure that this website are really going to help you. But I just want to give you a warning. You don't have to expect instant money. You just need to be qualified. You just need to be approved for you to get money from this website, and you really don't have to expect $10,000. You really don't have to expect $5,000. Just you need to have this minimum expectation so that you won't get hurt just after going on this website. So just by saying that, I think you're gonna try this website, and just remember that you don't have to be asked to pay for any amount of money before receiving this loan, and be aware of these scams. And also you need to read the reviews, how people are talking about a given website before going on a website and asking for a loan. So thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time. Thank you.